All right, just waiting on YouTube to give me the word. All right, we're up. This is Wall Street Sizing Up. We're sponsored by StockTrade.tips if you did not know that by now. We now have about 54 members in the Telegram channel. It is now free. You can look underneath here and find the link. And let's get you started. And we provide alerts, we provide analysis, we provide chats, we provide stories that you need to know. It's a good Telegram to get into, and you will be rewarded down the road. All right. That being said, I know why you're here. So this is kind of stocks to watch, but it's more of like stocks that we're researching. Now I'll call the alerts out tonight when I get home after I've got some more research under my belt, because I typically like to do maybe 2, maybe 3 a night, right? So that's kind of where we are. So these are just stocks that we're researching, right? So let's get started right now. There we go. All right. First up is Finviz. Markets were mixed today. We had a decent day. Wasn't a great day. It was a good day. And we'll see how tomorrow shakes out to see how this day was, right? All right. Let's get right to it. So these are the insider moves that were made in the last 2 days. They have to file within 2 days. And I see 2 new ones that I might look into. So let's just start at the bottom and move up. So we're seeing a lot of let me get the 28th here. All right. So you're going to want to look at HIBB. That's Hibbett Sports. My wife's company actually does business with them. Very expensive stock. It's at $84. If you want to get into that, that is a stock you can see on the screen. It's been trending up since literally March. It's a good little stock. It looks like it is more of a recovery play as well, but again, it's retail sporting goods. I would look at VAPO. This one was a investor sized up, $4.7 million larger position, 30%. That's what I really look at. Rig seems to be sized up on. It's the same people sizing up, but rig keeps going up. Today, I think it was down a little bit, but I would still check into that if you're new to the channel. Trek, I'd look at it, or TLS Advisor sized up for $700,000 larger position. It's just 3% more. That typically means that they see a bump coming. I would look at EXLS, director sized up there. So ASAN, we see it literally almost every day now. And it's typically this Dustin guy. And I wouldn't show you this, but the problem is, or what I'm saying is Dustin, he sizes up big. He is the CEO and chairman, and he's buying $20 million every time he sized up. Sometimes a little less, and sometimes I've seen him go as high as $25 million larger positions. I would also know, I have not done anything here. I hadn't even showed the channel this. TRVM would look at, and I would look at LUNG. LUNG looks like they went public about 6 months ago. All right, so that is the insiders. Now let's do the smart money. These are hedge funds, right? I did call some of these out to the channel, but if you missed it, here it is. The ones, again, that we're researching. I have bought into some of these. In fact, I bought into the first one for sure, even before, because I believe it was about 10 minutes till the closing bell. EYES was sized up by Empire Asset Management, 3 million shares. I would look at that. There's HIB Sports again, by another guy. I don't know why that filing is in a 13D. He must own more than 10%. All right. BCTX, I would look at, that's L5 Capital, 700,000 shares they sized up on, I believe, on the 17th. GTX would look at them, 4 million share size up by a test or value master fund. GTX was I don't want to call it a meme stock about, 4 months ago, but it seems to be coming back in vogue, just to let you know. SESN, I did take a position in this before the closing bell. I like the stock. I think it's a $4 stock. 2 million shares there. IQ Morgan Stanley does not miss. Here's the thing about this one is they added 100 million shares. There's only 310 million shares outstanding. They own 30%. The entire company, from what I remember, is about 80% institutional owned. So just so you know that. All right. These other ones, no. You might look at WKME. Not a real big fan upon just looking at it. But that's what I would. Those are the smart money buys. So we've done insider. We've done the smart money buys. Now let's go see what is trending. So trending right now. If somebody give a shout out to Stephen Burris on the channel. He's been following this MMAT. If you have any comments, please get into the channel and ask us about MMAT. I don't know what's going on. Stephen does, and he's been following it. He's had diamond hands all through the torch drama and the CEO tweeting and what the DV is going to be, and he can tell you more about that. Congratulations if you held MRIN. If you did, let me tell you something. There was somebody on the channel that sized up MRIN. Here's the thing. It was up 100% today. Do you think that maybe some of these supposedly diamond hands, it's not even diamond hands, right? Think somebody's going to take profits? Yeah. A lot of people are going to take profits. You just doubled whatever position that you had. Sophie is a number one stock on Wall Street bets. Sentiment 2. And Coinbase was up 10% today. Wow. Big move. Let's see what the most active. A lot of the same. Wish is up 2. OCGN. And Workhorse, which has the still highest short interest. Let me just update this. We've got Workhorse. This is highshortinterest.com. Workhorse Clothes, Geo, which I still hold a position in. It's kind of moving sideways on me. Pets, Nikolai, and Bed Bath & Beyond, which reports earnings on Thursday. I believe on Thursday. It might be Wednesday, but you can fact check me on that. I don't care. All right, let's go to crypto real quick. Crypto markets are up today. Even with the Binance being banned in the UK, that's okay. Weird. That is okay because crypto has shrugged it off. We need regulation. We understand that. We're having more hash power come back online in the US. That's a good thing too. Bitcoin was up 5% today, 6% today. Ethereum up 16%. So congratulations if you bought under 1,800. I did. I bought one. Cardano up 5. Uniswap up 13. Solana up 13. Link up 14. And Poly up 10. So those are some of my favorites. All right. News here. The news was, let me get the channel up here. Bam. And what we all talked about. Yeah. All right. Coinbase. Brian Armstrong came out today, CEO of Coinbase, and said, yes, we are going to list as many assets as we possibly can on Coinbase. That is our play. That's probably why the stock was up 10% today, because he came out and said that. It was also made public today that Morgan Stanley owns 30,000 shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. That was interesting. There's a Mexico bank will now be accepting Bitcoin. Is it Bitcoin? It's not Bitcoin payments, it's deposits. That's very cool. All right, let's see what else we had on here, and then I'll get to, I'll get to that in just a second. I thought I had another, yeah, I wanted this was meant to be kind of a meme, but it's really not. Trading is 100% to buy, 10% buying, 10% selling. You can sell off TA, you can sell off macro news, you can sell off individual stock catalyst, you can sell off that. But 80% of trading is being patient. It's something that I've had to learn, and if you're on my channel, you're gonna have to learn that too, because I don't have all the answers to all the questions. I've got a lot, but you gotta have patience. All right. That being said, let's go to the swaggy stocks and see what's trading on Wall Street bets, and then we'll finish up. All right. Here it is. Sophie out front big. So this is one that just happened today. So whether this is a move up or down, that they were up 4 or 5% today, this is probably going to push them tomorrow. That's just my first thought. Workhorse with the big short interest is still there. Workhorse was up. Wish was up. Clove, Space, Tesla still being talked about. GME, BlackBerry, which I lost a lot of money in. Not going to be trading that stock much more unless it becomes very appealing. If you have some insights on BlackBerry, let me know, because I actually like the company, but the stock just, man, it's literally the last 90 days it's down. No, it's about 60 days. So, but anyway, Play has jumped in there, and Apple, and then Coinbase has jumped in there too. All right. That's all I have for now, guys. I'll try to keep this under 10 minutes. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys on the channel. Also want to thank my a friend who tipped me today. Thank you very much. That's the Texas News. I know who you are. Thank you very much. With that, guys, cheers. Watch your six. Go hard in the paint. We'll see you next time.